It's one thing to have one good curly hair day, but it's another to have more than one good curly hair day in a row. That's the main reason why I don't wear my curly hair more often, because I wake up like this. I needed to get next day hair if I was ever gonna wear my hair wavy in public. Getting to day 2 hair just seemed impossible. Most of the time, I end up just wetting my head again. I ended up getting this, the Infinity Pro hair steamer. This is by Conair. Now listen, I live in hot, humid Florida. Steam and my hair is one big frizz ball. So needless to say, I was totally skeptical that this could work. It's basically meant to restore your curls and hydrate your hair. I'm gonna actually use it right here on camera, but first I just wanna point out a couple of things about it. It has this tank right here. You fill it with distilled water, pretty simple. You snap it right in. It has a 10-minute run time, which is plenty of time to get through your entire head without having to refill it, which is great. The on-off switch is really simple. You just turn it on. It's gonna flash, it's gonna heat up pretty quickly. One thing I will say though is that this does not turn off automatically. So when you're done, you need to make sure that you turn this off and unplug it. You can use these prongs to detangle, to stretch, and reshape and volumize your hair. I don't usually use the prongs because I have such a loose wave pattern that I don't really want to stretch my curls. But if that's you, this would work great. The cool thing about this that a clothing steamer doesn't have is it has this 7-inch diffuser attachment. This helps to hydrate your ends, enhances your texture, and boosts volume. To turn the steam on or off at any time, you just hit this button and you'll start to hear it. And then you'll start to see it. If at any time you want to turn it off, you just hit that button again. So let's get started. I first like to do this by sectioning my hair and getting the top layer out of the way. My top layer tends to be very straight. It doesn't hold the curls because I straighten my hair so much. It's damaged. So I'm gonna fire it up, and it gives you an amazing facial, by the way. Put it into the diffuser, and I hold it there for a few seconds, not real long, maybe like 15 seconds or so. And then I bring it down, and it's not getting super, super hot like a clothing steamer does. It's also not making my hair wet at all, which is great because then you can just refresh and go. We'll do it again. And then bring it back down, and you can already see the curls starting to come back to life. Do it one more time on this piece. This has been a game changer for me though. The trick to this is not to go fast. So the first time I used it, I literally almost returned it because I turned into a frizz ball. I just kind of went haphazard around. But just like when you're diffusing your hair, you need to go slow so that you don't cause frizz. I'm mind blown that this steam does not frizz my hair out. It actually like really, really hydrates my hair. The other thing you might notice is I'm not adding any product because this is reactivating my products from the previous wash day. But I mean, look at this. It's bringing them back to life. And again, I can't say enough good things about this hair steamer because I've gotten 4-day hair after using this thing.
Okay, I sped this part up, but don't go fast because you will frizz.
I prefer doing this over adding any refreshing products because they always make my hair feel really sticky, producty, super gross. Since I'm not adding any products here, my hair just feels really soft after I do this.
Look at that. The other thing that I've done with this is I've used it to steam in a deep conditioner. So you put your deep conditioner in and then steam that in, and you're getting like salon level treatment at home.
So that's the Conair Infinity Pro hair steamer. I use this way more often than I thought I would. It really lets me wear my hair curly more often.
There is a learning curve with it. Like, go slow with it, take your time. You know, when you first get it, just make sure you know how it works and don't rush through it because you will create frizz, believe me. These curls last all day. And honestly, I feel like my hair looks better now on day 2, day 3, day 4, anytime I use this than on the day that I wash it. Who knew? If you struggle with getting second, third, fourth days out of your wavy, curly, or coily hair, give this a try. I did link it to the video if you want to grab it. Let me know if you try it. Comment below what your refreshing routine looks like. But yeah, just with steam, I'll take it. And if you like content like that, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and share this with somebody who you think might find it useful. As usual, thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video.